broken stars where the warp winds cry. A crew of misfits bound by greed's dark tie. The reactor hums as our vengeance ignites, where the predators lurking in eternal night. Forbidden relics in our blood-stained hold, the price of ambition paid in souls and gold. The void's cold heart is where we thrive, every system we leave barely alive. Engines of avarice burning the skies, with warp-fueled hunger and unholy ties. No oath, no creed, just plunder and gain. Through the depths of the void we break every chain. The stars are silent, but we hear their call, a galaxy trembling beneath our thrall. With augur arrays scanning fractured space, every derelict wreck leaves a treasure to trace. The Galar screams, the hull groans with hate, but we laugh in the face of a heretic's fate. We don't serve a throne, we don't bow to a crown, only to profit as we tear it all down. Engines of avarice burning the skies, with warp-fueled hunger and unholy ties. No oath, no creed, just plunder and gain. Through the depths of the void we break every chain. Of empires and the Xenos' grave will claim their secrets, our riches to pave. The warp may shatter what dares to remain, but it's the cost of freedom that we entertain. Engines of avarice blazing the night, with reactors glowing and the stars alight. No throne to bind us, no gods to tame. In the endless expanse we'll carve our name. From the halo's edge to the darkest maw, where the echoes of greed that the galaxy saw. Engines of avarice bound to no law, through the void we ascend, forever in awe.